Hey guys, it's me Ed and welcome back to the video. Today I'm be telling you how to install Microsoft Teams on macOS. So first you have to go to the Microsoft website. And you can see learn more. And you have to scroll down and find download Teams for your desktop. Click download now. It'll take you another tab and save. And now it has downloaded. And click continue. Well, I'm just gonna install on all users of this computer, but you can choose continue, install. Then I have to put my password. 1 second. And it's writing files. And you're done. So now you can just move to trash or keep it, but I'm moving to trash. And now just hit Microsoft Teams. And you're finished. Bye! And why not? Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified for future videos. Goodbye!